Welcome to Lyra Tech. Today we're revving up to review the CEMOTO Electric Dirt Bike, a powerful option designed for both teens and adults. It promises thrilling off-road adventures with its robust motor and long-range battery. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's dive into the core performance features and ride quality of the CEMOTO Electric Dirt Bike, where power meets comfort on rugged terrain. This chart highlights how the CEMOTO Electric Dirt Bike performs where it matters most, on the dirt. We're looking at its raw power, how far it can go on a single charge, its ability to smooth out bumps, and how effectively it can stop. The 3,000-watt peak motor offers seriously strong acceleration and a top speed of 40 miles per hour, providing plenty of power for off-road adventures. You get a solid 53 miles of range from the 48-volt, 23-amp-hour battery, which is great for extended trail riding. The hydraulic dual-disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels deliver strong, linear stopping power, crucial for safety and control. Overall, the CEMOTO Electric Dirt Bike offers a fantastic combination of motor power, extensive range, advanced suspension, and dependable brakes, ensuring a thrilling yet controlled ride. Next, let's explore the practical design elements and the overall value proposition of this CEMOTO Electric Dirt Bike, looking at its everyday usability. This chart focuses on how the CEMOTO Electric Dirt Bike is designed for real-world use and what kind of value it brings to the table. We'll consider its adaptability, the wheel setup, its capacity, and the overall package. The three adjustable riding modes, Eco, Standard, and Sport, allow you to adapt the bike's performance to different terrains, and the digital display keeps you informed. The professional 14-inch front and 12-inch rear wheels provide excellent stability and help you roll over obstacles with greater ease. With a 265-pound load capacity and an optimized frame size, this bike comfortably accommodates both teens and adults for a wide range of riders. Considering its powerful motor, long range, and robust features at the price point, this bike offers very good overall value, with the added benefit of being largely pre-assembled. This bike offers practical features like riding modes and robust wheels, a good load capacity, and a compelling overall value considering its feature set. The CEMOTO Electric Dirt Bike stands out as a strong contender for those seeking an electric off-road vehicle. It combines a powerful motor with impressive range and a high-quality suspension system for tackling challenging terrain. While some detailed component specs are not fully clear, its overall feature set and accessible price point make it a highly attractive package for adventurous riders. This bike looks ready to deliver plenty of excitement on the trails.